What's up, my PNW ninjas? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. So I've got a really nice hike for you guys lined up for today. So I am in Hood River, Northern Oregon at the Mitchell Point Trailhead. Now, I originally did this hike back in 2020, 2021, and I really wanted to do this hike again. But right after I did the hike, they shut the trail down. They were doing some construction, and they did that for like a few years. But the trail is back open again, and once I found out it was open, I knew I just had to do this trail again. Now, the views at the top of Mitchell Point offer some of the best views overlooking the gorge on the Oregon side. Definitely top 3. Now, I do have my drone with me, but this is the eastern side of the gorge, so it is very windy out, as it is most of the time I'm here on the eastern side. So chances are that I'm going to be able to break out the drone and get some shots with it are pretty slim, but I'm going to bring it with me anyway, and who knows, maybe if I get to the top the wind will completely die down. But either way, once we get to the top at Mitchell Point, we're going to have a fantastic view looking down the eastern side and the western side of the gorge. Really excited to do this trail again. So my ninjas, if you're ready to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest, let's get going. All right guys, almost to the top. One last final push up. Short hike, bit of elevation gain, but again, if you want to see these awesome views, you got to earn it. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, it's just still way too windy for me to break out the drone. I was really hoping by the time I got to the top there wouldn't be any wind, but yeah, this is the east side of the gorge for you. It's always windy. So yeah, today is not the day. I'll try again some other time, but I still think we got some awesome views. And yeah, maybe someday I'll do this trail again, top of Mitchell Point, no wind, break out the drone and get some shots, but not today. All right, ninjas, there you have it. Mitchell Point, one of my favorite views overlooking the Columbia River Gorge on the Oregon side. Smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description below. Share this video if you know anyone else who wants to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, become a PNW ninja, and continue to adventure with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.